we made a simple database last week where we had last name, first name and gender, and some people will notice that this was a bit annoying, that it was quite a free-form entry and it felt like it should be constrained. So we're going to look at how to do that. I've clicked in the gender field and I'm going to go down the bottom here to show me all the properties of this gender field. There's lookup, and I can change the value of the lookup to be a combo box, which is a drop down. And if I say that the row source that it's getting is a value list, then I can type in that value list. This ... here is where I'm going to type it in. If you don't get that because you've already entered some data, you can actually just type it in anyway, and we'll see the format of that in a second. So I'm going to go with the basics to begin with, male and female. We can always add more later, and click OK. And so you can see male, female, speech marks and semicolons separating those. That's fine up to a point. So I can now select male and female. I have a problem though, that I can, if I select one of these, I can edit that, and that might not be what I want. So I'm going to stop that from happening. I'm going to go down to the bottom here. It says limit to list, and I shall change that to yes. And I think that's all we need. So if I go back to this and male, change that to mal, and it says not an item in the list. Oops. Actually, I didn't want it to be able to edit it, did I? So I think you can choose an item. Right, go back to here, and I think allow value list edits will change that to no. So now, if I say ma, click OK, it makes me force me to have one. So those are the two changes I need to make. Limit to yes, list yes, allow value list edits no. Now, one of the handy things about doing this, of course, is if I go into create and form and go into form view, it does that as a nice little drop down anyway, so I don't have to do that. That's nice, isn't it?